I made some chicken, which I'm gonna do some baked barbecue chicken, and I wanted to try it with you guys. That's how it looks. It's hot. It's not too salty. It's really hot. It's the inside. It's really hot. I couldn't hold it. But what I did is I cleaned it, seasoned it, boiled it, and then I fried it for me to bake it because my oven, it's really slow and I'm not understanding what's going on. So when I cook it in the oven and I don't like boil it, it just have this weird gummy taste. But this is good.